are now starting a new series. We're going to test every single strategy for our pocket option auto trader. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So the way we're going to do this, we're going to start with strategy number 1. It's basically the worst strategy, but still it will make it more fun. I'll set a reasonable target for each strategy so we can test it properly. So I will start with a 5-second. So that will be 5 seconds, and I will take all 24 strategies, one every single day. And then we'll go to the next timelines all the way till 5 minutes. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, you find the link below the video, both for Chrome extension, that is for desktop, also for Google Play Store, that is for your mobile phone. So I will now start and we will see how we do with the first strategy. So now let's start. We start with the 5-second. Like I said, we will start with the first, so that will be this ZigZag Reversal strategy. We will not trade with so much because this one is a kind of shit, but let's take $100. We will use martingale recovery. I will keep it to opposite. That means if you're going with a buy and we lose, he will then double up and do the opposite way, and he will do a sell. We will put a target. Let's reset this one. Let's put a target. Let's think. Let's put it to 500. And then we start up. Now he's looking for a trade. This will go quite fast because this strategy is not so complicated. So yes, so as I said, he did take a sell already, and it's a winner. That's a good start. So we are now 1 win, 2 wins, and 100%. He goes sell again. This one we won again. Oh, it's going good. 3 wins now. Now he did sell, then we lost. Now he will change it to a buy. Looks like we won that one. We might just get an amazing win right here now. Let's see. As you can see here, you can also follow all the trades. Like I said, this binary option robot you see here now is exactly the same on your Android phone. Actually, it's a little newer version on the Android phone. It's a little other colors also. Now let's see here now. We are getting we got a 1. Perfect. Then we just need one more winner and we are done. And we got a 86% win rate. That is amazing. I'm pretty sure we got a little lucky, but by the way, we take it. So 6 wins and 1 loss. Amazing. So that's the thing we did now. Check out ZigZag Reversal strategy. Did amazingly. We did end up taking 6 trades, 6 winners, 1 loss. Amazing. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next. Tomorrow, Bob, wait a little. Tomorrow we will do the RSI Classics. So make sure you tune in tomorrow so we can do that together. So with that, have an amazing day.